While many people want a nice plump face, they may not want that extra weight elsewhere. Between Thanksgiving and Christmas, the treats are aplenty and it's hard to keep a trim waistline. But there's a new non-invasive procedure out there that helps break down that unwanted fat. Joining us this morning is Kat Cairns, a ReNew body contouring spa, and Donna Pantello, a patient who just went through the treatment called Bella Contour. Thank you for joining us this morning, ladies. Oh, it couldn't be better timing, right? With the holidays coming up, we want to look our best for the new year. Tell us exactly what Bella Contour is.
Well, at ReNew Body Contouring, we use a device called the Bella Contour machine. It's an FDA-approved fat cell and cellulite reduction machine. So what it does is it actually uses an electropulse therapy, similar to a TENS machine, along with a combination of ultrasound. So the electropulse therapy helps to burst open those fat cells, while the ultrasound goes in and heats up the fat so that it melts naturally, and then it drains through the lymphatic system. So generally, most people don't have to change their diet too much. They just cut back on the sugars and make sure they're doing some sort of cardio, walking, anything that's going to be consistent with helping it to kind of release the fat and drain naturally through the lymphatic system.
And you just went through this. What did it feel like?
Light pressure. They hook the electrodes up, and then the ultrasound massages. Yeah.
So it just kind of feels like a massage, not painful by any means.
Not painful at all.
Tell us about your results. You are finished now. How many sessions did you go through?
12 sessions.
And you've gone from a size
12 to a 6.
That is remarkable.
Yeah.
And what amount of time?
It took me about 4.5 to 5 weeks.
And that was it, to go from a
Twice a week.
12 to a 6. That's huge.
Well, we have patients that go for as little as 2 times a week to 3 times a week. You know, so what we're trying to do is encourage people right now, if they want to fit into those beautiful holiday dresses, those low back lines, you know, the short skirts, that this is a great time to do it, because you can literally lose those inches within 3 to 5 weeks by doing, you know, 3 treatments a week.
And right now you have a really big special going on. Let's forget Black Friday and Cyber Monday, honey. This is a biggie. Tell us about that.
Yes, at ReNew Body Contouring, we're actually going to be offering a holiday special for the month of December. Our prices per treatment are only $119 per treatment. So depending on, you know, of course I can't tell you how many treatments you need to lose the weight because I can't see you, but most of our clients find anywhere from 6 to 12 treatments will usually give them the results that, you know, they desire to get into those dresses.
And this is just something that they can stop by and do on their lunch break. I mean, it's really quick in and out. No downtime?
No downtime, no injections, no surgery, no pain. So at ReNew Body Contouring, you can literally come in, your treatment from beginning to end is less than an hour.
Donna, you had dramatic results, and we've talked about your size. What about weight? Have you lost pounds?
Mostly inches. I lost about 5 pounds, but it was mostly inches.
Well, that's all. The inches is all we really care about anyway, right? Because that's what people see. I mean, they can really tell a difference in your clothing. And you said, obviously, that you drank a whole lot of water. How much are we talking about?
64 to 80 ounces a day.
Okay, so just, what, 8 to 10 glasses, I guess, a day? And then exercise? Did you try to walk more or do anything else extra?
Not so much, but I am now.
Okay.
'Cause it helps to move it and keep it off. Yeah,
that's a good question to ask you is how long can we expect these results to last? Obviously, we can't just go pig out and expect it to stay off.
No, you know, I did my treatments 2 years ago, and I had lost 3.5 inches from my waistline, and I have yet to gain it back. You know, but if I sit down and eat a whole bag of candy, sure, I can expect to put on some pounds. But as long as you keep your diet to a moderate consumption and, you know, make sure you're doing some physical activity. For us, we mainly promote cardio. You know, we don't want you lifting weights or working out heavily while you're doing this. We really just want you burning the fat. And a lot of times our patients don't see a huge pound loss because fat doesn't weigh very much. Muscle does. You know, so we look more at that inch circumference and bringing it in and tightening it up. It also really helps to tighten the skin. The device is an FDA cellulite removal machine, so a lot of that dimpling and that puckering that happens as you get older, this helps to release that, smooth it out, and really make for nice tight skin.
We're out of time. Quickly tell us where you're located.
We are located at Post Oak at 2020 North Post Oak, just inside Tranquility Spa. You can find us at renewbodycontouring.com, and our phone number is 713-893-5128.
All right, ladies, thank you so much. Happy holidays to you and your new size. It worked for you.